Hey RY fam! Welcome back to my channel. What if something unexpected happens at school? Your phone dies, you get a headache, your shoes give you a blister, your period arrives unexpectedly, it suddenly starts raining, you spill something on your uniform, or you simply need something you didn't think you'd need that day. Most students carry books, notebooks, pens and a water bottle. But what about the little emergencies? Today, we're creating the ultimate school emergency kit, packed with small, practical things that can make unexpected situations much easier. You don't need a huge survival bag. You just need the right essentials. Let's get started. Small emergency pouch. Start with a small zip pouch to keep all your emergency essentials organized and easy to find. Plasters. Keep a few individually wrapped plasters for small cuts, scrapes and blisters. Tissues. Tissues are useful for sneezes, runny noses, spills and all those little messy moments. Wet wipes. Keep a small pack for cleaning your hands, wiping spills and dealing with unexpected messes. Hand sanitizer. A small bottle of hand sanitizer is useful when soap and water aren't immediately available. Lip balm. Keep a lip balm handy for dry or chapped lips, especially during colder weather. Moisturizer. A small travel-sized moisturizer can help if your hands or skin become dry during the school day. Emergency snack. Keep a small, non-perishable snack in your bag if your school allows it. A cereal bar or another suitable shelf-stable snack can be useful when you're hungry or staying late. Pouch items, necessary, always keep an extra pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener. Hair ties. Keep a couple of spare hair ties for PE, sports, hot weather or windy days. Small comb. A travel-sized comb or brush is useful for keeping your hair neat throughout a long school day. Period products. Keep a few period products in your emergency pouch, even if you aren't expecting your period. Being prepared is always better than being caught off guard. Disposal bags. Small disposal bags are useful for period products, wet items or other personal emergencies. Spare underwear. A spare pair of underwear can be incredibly useful for unexpected periods, spills or accidents. Keep it inside a discreet waterproof bag. Spare socks. A spare pair of socks can save the day if your shoes or feet get wet. Mini umbrella. If the weather changes quickly where you live, carry a compact umbrella. Small torch. A tiny LED torch can be useful if you travel independently, especially during darker months. Only carry one if your school allows it. Power bank. If your school allows phone, then if allowed, a small power bank can provide backup battery when your phone is running low. Never carry damaged or swollen batteries. Earphones or earpods. If your school allows them, inexpensive backup earphones or earpods can be useful for appropriate situations. But never use them when you need to stay aware of your surroundings. Small amount of emergency money. Keep a small amount of emergency money somewhere secure. There's no need to carry a lot. Small notebook. A tiny notebook is useful for writing reminders, quick notes or important information. Sticky notes. Sticky notes can be surprisingly useful when you need to quickly write something down. Stain remover wipe. Spilled something on your uniform? A small stain removing wipe can help with minor marks. Perfume or deodorant. After PE or sports, a travel-sized personal care product can help you feel fresh. While you're setting up your emergency kit, I also made a whole video to help you survive your first day smoothly, and I want you to feel fully ready for your first day too. So after this, watch my Back to School First Day Tips for Students video, it's super helpful. So don't wait, watch this before school starts. You will thank me after watching this, it completes your whole prep. Don't miss. Let's continue. Sunscreen. If you're spending time outdoors, especially during warmer weather, sunscreen can be an important addition. Personal medication. If you need medication at school, follow your school's medication policy and your healthcare instructions. Don't carry medication loose or share it with anyone. Once a week or a month, quickly check your emergency pouch. Replace anything you've used. Remove old snacks. Replace damaged items. And make sure everything is still useful. It only takes a few minutes. You probably won't need most of these items every day. And that's okay. An emergency kit isn't about expecting something bad to happen. It's about being prepared when something unexpected happens. Like simply needing something you forgot to pack or you don't have that thing that morning. A little preparation can make a stressful situation much easier. So take 5 minutes today. Open your backpack, grab a small pouch, choose the essentials that make sense for you. Keep everything organized, check your school's rules. This is your school emergency kit. Because every student deserves to be prepared. If you found this video useful, share it with a friend, sibling or classmate. Like and subscribe for more school essentials, student tips, organization ideas, productivity hacks and practical everyday advice. And don't forget to go watch my video on Back to School First Day Tips. 10 tips perfectly useful for school, don't miss. Stay prepared, stay organized, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.